For problem 11, a student earns $13 per hour tutoring, $5 per hour as a teacher's aide. Let X equal the number of hours each week spent tutoring, and Y is the number of hours each week spent as a teacher's aide. Complete parts A through E. Well, you know, the student would like to maximize income, as anybody would, right? The student makes $13 an hour tutoring, so Z equals 13 times X because they tutor for X hours, plus the student makes $5 as a teacher's aide, and they spend Y hours as a teacher's aide. So there's the objective function. Z equals 13X plus 5Y. Well, there are some constraints. To have enough time for studies, the student can work no more than 19 hours per week. I want to write an inequality. X is the number of hours they tutor. Y is the number of hours teacher's aide. X plus Y has to be less than or equal to 19. Can the student work 15 hours? Sure. Can the student work 25 hours? No. Can the student work 19 hours? Yes. The tutoring center requires that each tutor spend at least 4 hours a week tutoring. So X is the number of hours tutoring that has to be greater than or equal to 4. They also, the tutoring center says, you cannot tutor more than 8 hours. So we know X is also less than or equal to 8. So these 3 inequalities will be the constraints. We have to graph these on the grid they provided. We have to find corner points. In fact, they gave us the corner points. That's kind of nice. So if I'm kind of stuck on some of the previous work, I can look here and say, well, at least I know I have the corner points and I can plug them into the objective function. They want you to plug in all 4 and give all of the possibilities for how much money the student can earn, and then answer the question about how many hours tutoring, how many hours as a teacher's aide to get the maximum amount of income.